Hi everyone, in this word tutorial I will teach you how to remove spaces between paragraph in MS Word. This is very simple, very easy. Let's get started. First you need to place the cursor where you want to remove the paragraph space, and after that you need to go to the home tab, and in the paragraph group you need to click on this arrow, and here you will see that remove space after paragraph, and now you can see that the space has been removed from these two paragraphs. If you want to remove spaces between all paragraphs, what you have to do, you need to select all paragraphs and then again go to the home tab, click on this icon, click on this arrow key, and you need to click on this add space paragraph, and then again click on that and remove spaces after paragraph. And here you can see that the all spaces have been removed from paragraph. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.